So I haven't done a dating profiles video in a while. And I do want to just let y'all know that these dating profiles are horrid. Horrid. They're terrible. These are from Tinder, and I'm just going to be showcasing basically their front page with their name and their little snippet about themselves. And I am not going to be going into how they can fix this because these people seem unfixable. These are just terrible. And basically, we're just going to be kind of laughing. So you do need to look at the picture. You can't just listen to this. So gather a snack, get a refreshing beverage, and just kind of look at these and let me know which one stands out to you the most. They're all pretty terrible, but which one is the worst of the worst in your opinion? Okay, this is Brandon. He's 22. The upset facial expressions are due to the rising cost of women care products. That's what Brandon says. This is Mac. He's 23. Asthmatic, but you can still take my breath away. I'll treat you like my stairs and fall for you, or like my big toe and bang you on everything in my house. You pick. You pick, y'all. Which one would make you feel the best? Here's Darian. He's 21 and he is taking a picture in the bathroom so we can see the toilets. He is interested in gym, volleyball, Marvel, basketball, and sports. This is Dom. He's 29. He says, I am the most unique individual you'll ever meet. I'm a tall Mexican, rare collector's item. I'm a blue collar emo. I've been called an emo cowboy in the past. I build houses and wear eyeliner. Whew, he is really selling you. He's tall and he's Mexican. This is Dylan. He's 26. Looking for someone thick to go on fancy dates with. I don't know. Aiden, he's 18. I love white women. Yes, white women. Here you go. Okay, this is Matthew. He's 23. I don't know what is making these people write these bios, but he says completely retarded. I enjoy rock climbing, dancing, gaming, and long walks on glass, and I am always going to concerts and festivals. Huge animal lover and your local meme goblin. Ooh, a man holding a fish. Well, I mean, he's 19, so I don't know how much of a man. Okay, anyway, this is David. He's 19. He's holding a fish. His interests are sports, outdoors, motorcycles, baseball, and skiing, and holding a fish. This is Tyler. He's 22. What can you buy with your body count? In Calgary for the night. Smiley face. Okay, this is Evan. He's 23. He says, all my friends are saying I need a girlfriend, so shoot your shot. And if you look closely on this picture, he is holding, it says Evan adulthood. He's 20. And towards the bottom, he says, what I want to be, a corn star. That is what he says. And he is smiling, and I just cannot. Okay, so I don't know this man's name, but he is posing with Popeye and he is still trying to figure it out, whatever that is. But he is on a dating site and this is the picture that he puts forth. Okay, look into this picture. Look into Jason's eyes. Look at those eyes. He is 20. He says, you'll notice there's no fish in my photos. That's because I'm the catch. He says, by the way, feminist literature enjoyer. He's 6'11". That's what he typed. I make 10 million a day. He bench presses 225. Enormous Swifty. And when he says he benches 225, I am totally sure that that is not a typo. Okay, this is Brandon. He's 22. He says, I may be low income, but I'm not low income. But what is life? Okay, this is Tyler. He's 24. He says, there's a fine line between looking like a musician or a homeless guy. And he's 6'3". These people really put their height in their bio as if it's a personality trait. Yo, look at how he styled his man hair. This is Jake. He's 24. This is the photo he really chose to represent himself. What is wrong with these people? Okay, Jake, who's 24. Addicted to brake fluid, but I can stop whenever I want. Father of 3,000. Zero tattoos, their birthmarks, and my arm is a transplant. I just don't know what to say about these people in these bios. Tristan, he's 23. Let's bond over childhood trauma. He is dabbing with Mario. Dylan, he's 20. His quote, who knows? I do not know, Dylan. I do not know, and I don't know why. This, yes, I don't know why. Baron, he's 19. F around and find out. That is what he chose to say. Why Nick put this picture on here as a dating profile picture, I don't know. But he says MILF hunting for real. Nick is 18 and he is looking for a MILF. This is Dominic. He's 19. He's 6'2". If I can make her laugh throughout the day with her boobies, you shall play. And he says that this is a quote from Gandhi. Yes, this is Dominic. He's 19. This picture is kind of wild. I'm pretty sure I have more muscle definition than Ivan, who's 22. But he says, come rock climbing with me. And if you fall, you're literally falling for me. Ivan, who's 22. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, my arms are bigger than his. We have Jake. He's 22. I don't know which one he is. He says he's 6'3". Swipe right if you like puppies. Riley. He's 30. Been alone almost my entire life, and I'm hoping to meet someone who can help me out. I'm just lonely. I also have a job, car, and home. Yes, that's that's gonna make someone swipe. And I'm gonna end on Jordan, who's 25. Absolutely zero riz, but I'm 6'4" and have a mustache, so there's that. Now, it's going to be hard to choose the worst of the worst of these. There were quite a few in here that were pretty bad. I think Matt is pretty bad. You know, coming out the gate saying completely retarded, I enjoy rock climbing, dancing, gaming, and long walks on glass. That plus this facial expression is pretty terrible. But this dude is holding a fish, and I am totally sure that most of us are not interested in a man holding a fish. But my winner is going to go to Jason because just simply looking at him would scare me, and I couldn't imagine, like what it would be like to go on a date with a person that has this kind of mustache and this kind of look in his eyes. But there are so many in here, and for so many reasons that you can choose the worst of the worst. And I do want you guys to jump in here and let me know which ones were your fave or your least favorite. I do also want to say that, like, a lot of women are talking about the 4B and just leaving these people alone. And how could you really walk away from all of these catches? It's just so many in here that you can choose from. And so many women are just like, no, I'd rather just get a cat. And I honestly don't really blame them. Anyways, I'm not going to hold y'all. Y'all go ahead, jump in the comments. If you do want to share any profile pictures with me, you can send them to Bourbon Bougie. That's my Instagram page, and send them to my inbox in Instagram, Burb and Bougie. All right, jump in the comments. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.